I am Jed from GDK Veneering. A customer has come, well, a number of customers have been in today and dropped various wood sets off to us. Have a cup of tea, a biscuit, have a chat, choose the veneers, things like that. So this is a Jaguar Mark II set that he had restored about 5 years ago. Now, basically what's happened is somebody's actually made it all nice and shiny, but all the veneer is all popping off, and there's that much paint on it, they could actually become Van Gogh. So basically, it's been done, it's made it look shiny, but it's not correct. So we've fetched it here today to GDK Veneering for us to sort all this out. And the way we do that, as usual, take every piece apart, re-glue it, then we strip everything completely off, then re-veneer it, re-lacquer it, re-polish it. Now it is going to go in a gloss lacquer because we also do a satin lacquer with a 30% sheen on. You can see from there it looks all nice and shiny. But the first thing that I can notice is that the back lip on this top roll that goes in the Jaguar, it sticks up. Well, this is really tiny, so it's not actually how it should be. Somebody stuck it on, but it's not correct. And also the crossbanding that's been used on it, they've used something like a burr oak. It's like a burr oak veneer, straight grain veneer, and it looks okay, but yet again it's not the correct one. So we're going to turn this lump of Jaguar Mark II wood set into a thing of beauty once again. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends.